प्रोडक्ट नहीं है हमारे पास, बट हम लोग आप लोगों से थोड़ा सा आगे है, बिकॉज 40% ऑफ अ प्रोडक्ट इज ऑलरेडी बिल्ट, एंड इफ सम इन्वेस्टर वांट्स टू सी इट, वी कैन शो देम द प्रोडक्ट. तो आपके पास वो भी नहीं है. That doesn't matter. You guys are slightly behind us. That's immaterial. But the point I was trying to make is, the approach, if I were you, the approach I would take is, go to friends and family, raise a 30 lakh round, build a product, have some product to show your investors. Even if it's a basic product, it doesn't matter. Investors want to see something tangible, which you guys don't have anything to show at the moment. Have something tangible to show the investors. Raise 30 lakhs. It could be from friends, family. I'm sure Deepak can help you. It's a small amount. It doesn't matter. Have a product and then go into the market and raise a larger round. It will be easier for you to follow that journey, follow that trajectory, than going to the market now without anything, with just an idea and raising 4 crores. You're talking about, even if you talk about a 20% dilution, you're talking about a 20 crore valuation for a startup that does not even have a product. You haven't even started working on the product.
What do you want, sir?
Think of it. I think personally, I think you've got a great product. Of course, I'll have to do my research based on whatever you've told me so far. I think you've got a great product, and you may find investors for this. I have no doubts. If what you claim is true, that there's nobody else, doing the same function that you do, you should be able to raise funds. But at this stage, raising 4 crores is a bit of a stretch. You might take 9 to 12 years to even convince one investor to give you the money. You have to, as such, there are not too many investors who invest at a pre-product level. Most of the angel networks, angel syndicates, micro VCs, and HNIs for that matter, invest at a early revenue stage. There are very few investors like me who invest at a pre-product level. I've invested in pre-product levels. I do that very often. Okay. But aapka 4 crore is something difficult for me to digest. I don't think you've got your numbers right. I told you, right, we are raising $1 million for a that's a very complex product. Unlike what you guys are doing, that's a very complex product. और हमारा budget उसके लिए 25 लाख है. Of course, I'm talking about the basic version. Then we will keep adding features to it as we go on.
That's true. That's true, sir.
आपका तो काफी simple, primarily you work on API integrations, and you saying I need 2.4 lakhs just for salaries, or very difficult to digest, Abhijit. So you've got your numbers wrong.
Fine, so that what we can do is, basic on your feedback right now, sir. I'll be really glad if we can get in touch with you again, like after say a month or 1.5 months time, once we have the product ready, and you can have a look, and then we can definitely take it ahead. What do you say, Sunil sir?
Anant, I'm very keen on the product. I would like to see, and I wish you the best. I'm sure you guys will build a great product. This is something, the need of the hour. If there's nothing existing as such, I would be glad to be associated once you have something a little more tangible to show me.
Amazing, sir.
And the numbers, right, as a CEO, I'm assuming you are the CEO, right?
Right, sir.
You take care of the business.
Right, sir.
You should have a grip on your numbers, Anand. You can't delegate the number. Somebody else can build the model for you. But आपको हर नंबर पता होना चाहिए कि costing क्या है, and please don't undermine the intelligence of an investor. हम लोग रोज बहुत सारे financial models देखते हैं. So एक बार एक सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर का कॉस्ट आपने कुछ नंबर डाल दिया. मुझे पता है कि बैंगलोर में या ओडिशा में या भुवनेश्वर में एक सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर का कॉस्ट कितना है, मुझे more or less पता है. I may not be very accurate, but I have a fair idea of how much a software engineer will cost in in Bhubaneswar. You're based in Bhubaneswar, right?
Yeah, as of now, yes. Correct,
Yeah.
sir.
So the point is, when you go for a pitch, you should be ready and prepared. You should be. I'm not saying you. Somebody from your team who's playing that role should have a full grip on the numbers. And one suggestion I have: you're primary operating in India, right? You're primarily operating in India, right?
Correct, sir.
So dollars में क्यों लिया आपने? So you expect the investor to convert that dollars and multiply by 83, go to that number in his head. तो देखिए आपको ये जो इन्वेस्टर जो पिच कर रहे हो, जिसको भी पिच कर रहे हो, you should make his life easy, right? So that he doesn't take the burden of calculating. If your primary operating currency is INR, why would you even want to do it in dollars? Unless you say, nahi, मैं US में operate कर रहा हूँ, and across the globe, our primary operating currency, we will be invoicing in USD, and my primary operating currency is USD. Why would you even calculate in USD? Think of these things. These are all things that are not cast in stone.
No, sir, you have actually given us, very valuable feedbacks. It's really valuable for us at this point of time where we are standing as of now.
Yeah, and Deepak is we met only a couple of weeks ago, but we talk to each other regularly. We are pretty close. You have any requirements or you feel the need to get any input from me, please feel free to ping me. I can always discuss with you, but I think you guys, prima facie, you seem to have a good product.
We will do it, sir, and we will definitely present to you again.
Yeah, having a good product is important. The rest of the things can be changed and iterated and pivoted.
I got it, Pons. I got it, sir.
You've got a good product, so that is a good starting point.
Right, sir.
That's it from me, Anand.
Thanks, Sunil. It was really very informative. Thanks for your time. I really appreciate.
Oh, you're welcome.
Anandji will connect once again, and
definitely
we will discuss on whatever the Sunilji suggested. Okay?
Definitely. Sunil sir, thank you so much. For like a lot of eye openers that has come up, and we will definitely work on it immediately.
You're welcome, Anand. In conclusion, I would say when you're pitching to an investor, you should have a full grip of what you're going to do.
Right, sir.
Fully, you can see you may not have answers to all the questions. There, you can tell the investor, sorry, I don't think we have an answer to this question. Let me come back to you. But the numbers is something that you have prepared. The financial projections is you have prepared, right? You can't say मैंने projections prepare किया और मुझे पता नहीं कि क्या numbers है. वो नहीं कह सकते आप.
That's right, sir.
And at this stage of the startup, you may not have answers to all your questions. Fair enough. That is an acceptable thing. You don't feel bad about it, and you don't have to beat around the bush for for questions that you don't have answers to. It would be better to tell the investor, sorry, we haven't thought on these lines. It's a good thing for let us ponder over and come back to you.
Got it, sir. Completely correct. Right, sir.
Thank you. Thanks, Deepak, for connecting me to Transit Terminal.
Thanks, Sunil. I really appreciate you are coming on the call in such a short notice.
No, that's absolutely fine. And this is my job. So
thanks, Sunil ji. Thanks
everyone. Thanks, Muskan, Anand, and thank you for your time.
Anand ji and team, can you please stay back? Sunil ji, let me have a little bit discussion with you.
Sure, please.
Okay.
Thanks.